Hi and welcome to Drone Pilot Australia. As you may remember, the TEMU drone crashed from a great height and then got soaked for 2 days in heavy rain. Here is how it looked as it was drying. The video camera broke, so it was removed. The snap outrigger was pulled apart, filled with hot glue and finished with superglue. Removing the camera module disabled the hover sensor. Okay, let's see if she flies. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye for now.
Wild horses could not drag me away from you. Wild horses could not drag me away from you.
Explore Kai's Custom Cars collection of detailed die-cast models. Each model is crafted with precision and attention to detail. Experience luxury in miniature form without breaking the bank. Choose from a wide variety of unique and personalized designs, ideal for both new and seasoned collectors seeking quality. These models make memorable and thoughtful gifts for any occasion. Conveniently order your favorite models online. Enjoy quick and reliable shipping to your doorstep. Become part of Kai's Custom Cars community and share your passion.